This is part 2 of migrating a VAGen TUI application to EGL. There are many preferences that must be set prior to starting to do the import. Most of those are covered in the migration guide, but there are certain very important ones that once they are set will work. The first one is in capabilities. Under General Capabilities, you must click the Advanced tab. You must click EGL Developer. You must ensure that EGL TUI is clicked and EGL VAGen Migration are clicked. The next one is under EGL. Make sure that the very top one, EGL Base, which is Visual Age Generator Compatibility, is checked. The last is in VAGen Migration. Ensure that Separate Parts into EGL Files is clicked. This saves you from having everything end up in one EGL program. So you want them to remain as separate programs much as they were in VAGen. Once that is set, you'll have to come into your Project Explorer, create a new project, give the project, ensure it is an EGL project, give the project a name, ensure it is a general project, which allows for the migration to occur into. You'll notice it says Legacy TUI 3270 and 5250. Determine what your runtime is going to be. Use the default build descriptor file and finish. Once that's complete, you have to create a new EGL package. Finish. Once that's complete, you can try and do the import. The import source is going to be VAGen external source format. You have to find it. You have to select the package that you want to put them into, which is the one you just created. You have to determine where you want a log file to go to, what the log file name should be, and then you can click Finish. The initial messages up here are really warnings telling you about statement groups. And now you see that the three programs, TDO1, TDO2, and TDO3, have been imported in. You can actually take TDO1. Similar thing to testing in VAGen is to debug the EGL program. Use your default build descriptor, which you would have set up prior to doing this, and say run. There's the menu. It's asking me which one I want to run because I have created the same, I've migrated this application many times. Select it, hit enter. Again, I've imported many times. Successfully completed. Updates work, screens work exactly as you saw in VAGen. And again. You can close the debug view, go into your EGL source, and it will show you how it converted the VAGen programs into EGL for you. Once you get used to the EGL language, this becomes very easy. There's your main process. There's a definition of your screens, Again, main programs, definition of your records, it tells you it's a record, definition of your working storage. It has created all those things for you. If you look in the demo all, it's created all your members, your record definitions, your edit routines, everything that existed in VAGen also exists in EGL. And it is that simple to import a TUI from VAGen into EGL.